Yes, welcome. Let's look at this question number 7 for JAMB Past Question Chemistry 2018. Which of the following statements is correct about the periodic table? A. Elements in the same period have the same number of valence electrons. B. The valence electrons of the elements in the same period increase progressively across the period. C. Elements in the same group have the same number of electron shells. D. The non-metallic properties of the elements tend to decrease across each period. Now, for us to understand this question very well, we need to know what the periodic table is and how it is arranged. Now, we know that the periodic table is the arrangement of elements according to their atomic numbers, and basically they are arranged into groups of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and finally 8, which is actually group O. So that is the groups of the periodic table. Now we have what we call the period. And you actually have periods 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have 8 groups and 7 periods. So that is what we have as the periodic table. Now in this periodic table you have the arrangement of elements according to their atomic numbers. So that here we have hydrogen, so this is how the periodic table looks. This is a rough sketch of what the periodic table is. So you have hydrogen there, then in period 2 you have lithium and beryllium, whereas on this other side you have boron, period 3 of period 1 of group 3. Then under group 4 we have carbon, you have nitrogen, we have oxygen, we have fluorine, and we have neon. Sorry, this is actually supposed to be in 2. Supposed to be in this period 2 actually. So we are supposed to have boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and neon. But we're supposed to also have helium here. And in 3 we're supposed to have sodium, magnesium, and on this other side we have aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon. Here we're supposed to have potassium and calcium. So that's about the first 20 elements in the periodic table. So I want you to notice something. This is the groups: group 1, group 2, 3, 4 down. So all the elements in the same group have the same number of valence electrons. So what are the characteristics of the periodic table? Number one is that elements in the same group, like this hydrogen, lithium, sodium and potassium, all of them have the same number of valence electrons. Elements in the same group have same number of valence electrons. Now number two, elements in the same period. These are the periods, period 1, 2, 3 to 7. Elements in the same period have the same number of valence shell, not electron, valence shell. Like this one, if this one has only K, this one will have only Km, and this one will have KMl. So the valence shell, that is, if you have something like sodium, you can have this. This is the first valence shell. This is the first shell. This is the second shell. 1, 2. And this is the third one. So we have 1, 2, 3. That is K, L, M. So you have L before you have M, K, L, M. So that is how you have this shell. So if you are in the same period, all of them are going to have 1, 2, 3, or only 1, 2. So the valence shell has to be the same. Then another thing that we should notice there is that these two metals, sodium and magnesium, metal. But when you go to this side, you start seeing non-metals. Sulfur, you see, these are non-metals. Here we also have potassium, calcium, metals. If you start going this side, you start seeing some non-metals like bromine. Under group 7, we have bromine here. So non-metallic property tend to increase towards this side from left to right. So because it tend to increase, but here they said decrease, so that makes this option not to be right, that the non-metallic properties tend to decrease. It's not true, because here you mostly have metals here, and this other side you have non-metals, fluorine and chlorine. Now elements in the same group have the same number of electron shell. That is not correct, because we say elements in the same group period have the same number of valence shell. So this cannot be correct. They cannot have the same number. It's actually period I have. Now this one, elements in the same period have the same number of valence electron. This is wrong, because it's only elements in the same group that has the same number of valence electron. But you see this B, the valence electrons of the elements in the same period increase progressively. That is true. The valence electron for sodium is 1, magnesium is 2. So as it is going here, is increasing. Aluminium is 3. You understand? The same thing here. Lithium, the valence electron here is 1. That of beryllium is 2. Boron is 3. Carbon is 4. So the valence electron is actually increasing progressively across the period. That makes option B the right option. So you can see I took time to draw this, so take note of this. The periodic table for the first 20 elements. Periodic table is actually the arrangement of elements according to their atomic numbers. And you can see we have 7 periods and 8 groups. Elements in the same group have the same number of valence electrons, whereas elements in the same period have the same number of valence shell. And non-metallic property tend to increase from left to right of the table, as well as the number of valence electrons also increases from left to right across the period. Thank you.